Hi, I'm Phil Dixon, FAASTeam Program Manager at Creve Coeur Airport in St. Louis, standing in front of the Historic Aircraft Restoration Museum, which is 4 hangars full of great-looking historic aircraft. And you're watching 57 Seconds to Safer Flying. For pilots transitioning from simpler aircraft to more complex aircraft, learning the systems, checklist, and staying ahead of the aircraft are the issue. In August of 2016, a pilot with his wife and 2 other couples crashed his PA-31. Both engines flamed out at 12,000 feet. 7 minutes later, with the propellers still unfeathered, the aircraft hit the trees only 1,700 feet short of the runway. Likely, the airman mismanaged the fuel, then misdiagnosed the source of the failure. His instructor believed the pilot had no training in the accident aircraft. The biggest false assumption airline pilots can make is the transition to smaller sport or amateur built aircraft. Often there's an attitude of invulnerability or complacency that keeps the pilot from necessary transition training. Instruction from a CFI familiar with the new aircraft is essential. Sounds obvious, but yearly ATPs drive perfectly good aircraft into unrecoverable situations. Transitioning to a new aircraft can be quite a problem if you just jump into the airplane. You've got to know the flight characteristics of the new aircraft, and you got to know its systems. Study the books and get with a flight instructor and join one of the online clubs that supports that aircraft model. For the FAA Safety Team, I'm Phil Dixon.